In this video, I will show you how to pay with Cash App on DoorDash. So this is fairly simple. What you want to do is just open up DoorDash and just order anything you want. So I've already added something to my cart. So just add whatever you want to order to your cart and click continue. Then from here, enter your account details and shipping details and any other important details. And from there, under payment details, you will have one of the options say Cash App Pay. So go and click Cash App Pay. Now, if you're on desktop, it will then show you a QR code that you can scan with your Cash App. But if you're using your phone, it should redirect you directly to Cash App. So just go and scan the QR code if you are using desktop. And after you pay for it, it will then automatically also be paid for in DoorDash and be deducted from your Cash App account. And you will then have paid for your DoorDash order using Cash App. So that's how to pay with Cash App on DoorDash. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.